guys, so I just got a pair of 7-inch 75 watt RGB high-low beams from a company called Loyo. So they asked me to do a little review and a demo of the install. So I got my daughter out here helping me, Beast the Jeep, on Instagram. But anyway, first thing you do is you take off, you got to take out your current headlights. So you take out the bevel, and then you take out the metal from inside. It's pretty easy. Just the hardest part for me was just finding a screw head to match those screws, because they're like one of those star ones. And to be straight, I am not the most mechanically inclined all the time, so this was a fun project for me and my daughter to do. But anyway, these headlights are pretty cool. You take them out. There's a Bluetooth looking adapter, and all those do is go from one light to the other light. This is the next day. I painted the bevel so you could see it's red. But anyway, the hard part for me was it's just plug and play. But there's there's a blue wire and a green wire, and those went to my side markers. One was for the blinker, and the other one was for the daytime running lights. Once I figured that out, it really was pretty cool. You have a little remote control, and you could change the colors. Those only come on, so this is where the parking light's on, and then you could change the different colors. Hooked it up to the turn signal, so you see as each turn signal goes on, there's little horizontal lines that flash. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.